Alright guys, and there's another video. I know a lot of people have tools like this, and when it gets to this point, you have two type of people. The people that just throw this away and buy a new one, or the people like me and you that are probably watching this video because you like this shit. We try to make it better. So I have two of these, and one I treated already, which is this one. You guys can see, and you don't need any fancy tools or anything, and this literally takes just a few minutes. So we're gonna get this looking like this, and all you need is a little steel brush, some, hold on guys, try to get it here, back here, some WD-40, and just a little piece of sand grit paper. That's it. Just a little piece. Just a little piece of sandpaper. Okay. And when you're done, 3-in-1 oil, I'll tell you why. First you want to do, just spray that shit. Even the handles, just spray it. Don't be cheap. Soak it real nice. Okay. And with your brush, just go on it. And it's pretty much almost instantaneous. Okay, it's pretty much almost instantaneous, guys. See that? All the rust that's coming off. So, give it a nice, again, now we do the other side. Now you could get a grinder and do it with a grinder with a wired brush. I just prefer not to. Because I don't want to take away any metal, unnecessary metal. This is good enough. Just wipe it down. All right. And now, Gel grit paper. There you go. Right. Same thing for the nose. Alright. Doesn't need to be super perfect, but we're just trying to get a little shine out of there. Alright. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this, because I want this always to be smooth, because I don't want it to be rough or anything, because you never know on what the surface it has to be on. So let's say if you're wrenching on something white, like a white metal or anything, you want this always to be clean, so when you're wrenching there's no axes. But if it's like this, all grimy and black, it will give off. So just if you're wondering why, that is why. The tips always have to be clean and smooth. So it doesn't have to be a mirror finish or anything, but just, you know, it has to be clean. Hold on, I'm gonna get a new piece of this. So if you're wondering what kind of grit paper I'm using right now, it's just the 3M. This is the 80 paper C type. Just get a little piece there, it's fine. And it's rough enough, you know, to really bite through the metal. See that? That's what we want. And this. See that? That looks so good. See that? That was awesome. And just a little bit more here. Get the other side. choosing specifically not to cut the video because I really want you guys to see the whole process of me doing this. Okay. All right, it's enough. Shouldn't be super shiny either, you know, it's just enough to make it smooth. Get inside there. Now we're almost done. Now here comes for the second part of what we're doing. Try to really get everything. All right. Even sorry. You really want to get everything, every angle clean. All right, decontaminate it completely of any oxidation and rust. And just another brush there. Clean the insides. All right, so we're on 13 minutes almost. You could probably do it faster if you weren't talking or trying to film. There you guys can see, it's looking better already. This has a little bit more oxidation on it. Probably needs just a little bit more work. Taking off the rust. You see the rust is still coming out. See them? The rust is getting off there. It's not that bad. You know, just a little bit rustier than the other one, but not that bad. I mean, I don't want it to become silk or anything either, you know, so I think we're good like this. It's a good tool. And now we're gonna go for why the 3-in-1 oil. That we lubricated the hands. Okay? And get that in there. We don't get the WD-40 on the hands because 3-in-1 is a lubricant. Okay? And although a lot of people use WD-40 for lubrication type of things, I would say no, don't do it because you can get cracks. Okay, so all you need, WD-40, 3-in-1, a little steel brush, sandpaper, and your tools are like new again. All right, be smart. Don't throw things away. Fix them yourself. Take care of your tools, and they'll take care of you, and they'll go for many years. All right, so that's it, guys. Take care.